Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name is the same. I'm gonna rhymes, co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode of my humble and noble platform, this Neptune network, and I've already done a lot of videos about this platform. So people are telling me that I have to show them how they can bind the Google Authenticator in the withdrawal process. So right now I want to withdraw the money for you all to see. Yeah, but the reason why I'm recording the screen is that the Google Authenticator doesn't allow screen recording. Yeah, that's why I'm using my phone to record the screen. Yeah, so when I open the platform, this is how the platform looks like. That's Neptune network, and I hope you manage the screen. Yeah, you manage. So I'm doing just screen recording. So first of all, like, you have to go to your Google Authenticator. Let me show you how it looks like when I open inside. So this Google Authenticator code, like, it varies, like it change anytime. It's not just one everything. So when the blue this thing finish, the code will change. So you always have to make sure that you, like, it's fast. So let me show you how you can bind the code before. So when I come to my Neptune network and I'll go to me, have you seen that you have Google capture? So me, I've already bind my own. It's not very difficult. Like, if you click on it, they will say that, like, enter some code. So the code, you input the code on Google Authenticator and it's for bind. Simple as that. It's for bind. So but when you want to withdraw it, that's where it's very difficult. So that's what I want to do it for you to see. Yeah. So when I come to, I'm coming. It's like sun, like there's enough light on the screen. So you see that we have Google Authenticator and the Neptune network. So I click on the Neptune network again. I want to show you how I want to withdraw the money for you to see. Yeah. So before that, before you can withdraw it, you have to exchange your NT coins towards USDT. And right now I've exchanged my own today, and I had 7 point something USDT. So I'll click on the USDT and I have 7.20 USDT. So I'll click on what's transfer, not the receipt, transfer. Then you enter your password, and this one, you enter your Tron address that you use to receive the money. But in this case, this phone Tron address needs to be updated. But let me see. Yeah, it needs to be updated. So let me use the Binance own. So let me go to Binance. Forgive me for the phone, because I'm using two phone to record the screen and to do this. So Charlie, it's not easy. So afterwards, log in. I want to sign in and log in. So I have to follow the process very carefully. Yeah, so that you can withdraw your money. Yeah. So let me connect it. I don't want to see my Gmail and everything, because so I'm done. So it will log in very soon. Yeah. So this is how you get your TRC20 address USDT on Binance. So you go to your wallet and you go to deposit. Then you go to deposit. You see, deposit. Then you choose USDT at the top. So you choose Tron address. Then you copy your wallet. So I've copied it. So I'll go to Neptune network. Then I'll paste it on the Tron address. Then I'll enter the amount, and after that I'll click on the next step. And one thing is, if you're withdrawing money from your NT network to USD, the platform will charge you $1. So here is it. Here's where the magic happens. So let me enter my password. That one I will not let you see. So you have to enter your password and enter the Google Authenticator code. So that one, if you're not quick, it will change. It will come and change. So you have to be quick. So I'm done with the password. So let me go to the authenticator. Sorry, like Charlie, using two phones is not easy. Okay. Hey, where am I recording? Hey. Sorry, I beg. Sorry, I. Yeah, so the authenticator code. Then I'll click on the next. So you see that it's a withdraw. The money will withdraw. Have you seen that it's a withdraw? Yeah. So that's how you do it. So the reason why I didn't let you see it, like Google Authenticator, their code at times, it's like you show it and YouTube say that you have flick everything. So this how the thing is. So when the blue this thing end, the number will change. You have to make sure that you are fast. So let's see if you change. If the blue this thing ends, the number will change. So thank you for watching me.